At the original North Australian in Bowen. This place has a licence from 1862. It's newly renovated, so we've been redone for about 2 years, but previously before that it was a little cafe. And then after COVID hit, we renovated. So what we wanted to try and do is stay away sort of from that nightclubby scene. So we wanted to keep it family orientated. We have a lot of local families come in and we try to show that on our menu. So we have things for all ages, for all different types of meal. We have pub meals, and then we also have, you know, something different as well. It's really important for us to make a nice ambience for our clientele. When they were designing the place, they wanted to have that pub feel and that old school pub vibe, but also make it new and refreshing and have that warm lighting to make it feel really home and relaxed. We've got like memorabilia on the walls from when the pub burnt down years ago and was rebuilt. It was really difficult to find the furniture that we were after. We were looking on the internet and we knew what we wanted, we knew the look we were after, and then we come across Nextrend and theirs was exactly what we're after, good price and a really good quality, and we've been super happy with it. You can see from when you walk in that it is quality, so we're super happy with it. And you know, if you buy cheaper things and things like that, they break, it ends up costing you more anyway. But more than that, it was more about the look and the vibe that it gave to create the whole overview of what we were trying to achieve. We look to it as more of an investment rather than a purchase, because in the long run that's going to offer us more returns than buying something cheaper that's not going to last. So our wood-fired pizza oven also adds to the ambience of the place, and they are super popular. You can have them dine in, you can have them take away, and we also have it situated in our bar, and it's a great draw card when people walk in at night. You've got sort of like the light glow and you see that pizza oven fired up. It's a real like attention grabber, so we love that, and we get great feedbacks on the quality of our pizzas, and you can smell it through the venue, which is awesome. So come and check out the original North Australian, you will be pleasantly surprised. It's a nice little haven in a little country town.